अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 14 नवंबर 2025 को पार्क प्राइम में संपन्न किया गया। साथ ही आपको बता दें, इस मीटिंग में उपस्थित रहे प्रेसिडेंट आतिश मकारिया, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सुमित साबो, सेक्रेटरी उर्वी राजा, ट्रेजरर संगीता गनेरीवाला के साथ और भी कई गणमान्य सदस्य और विजिटर। आगे देखते हैं एक्सक्लूसिव चैनल 1 के साथ मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
And respected visitors. My name is Sumit Sahu and I serve as the Vice President of the chapter.
Visitors. My name is Urvi Raja and as the Secretary of the chapter, my role is to follow the chapter agenda.
Sangeeta Ganeriwala and I serve as the Treasurer of the chapter.
I would like to invite our chapter founder, Mr. Satish Saputia, to introduce himself, but since he is absent, we all know about him. Please give a clap for him in his absence. Report coordinator Sumit Sabu and Isan Bansal. Edu slot coordinator Rajiv Sikri and Alok Poddar and Brismohan Mudra.
I would like to request all the members to introduce themselves and deliver the fortnightly presentation. हम जितने कपड़े या पैसे साल दर साल बदलते रहते हैं, लेकिन जीवन बीमा यह वो निवेश है जो कभी पुराना नहीं होता, बल्कि हमेशा परिवार के साथ खड़ा रहता है।
I feel all my money. My name is Vic Kamelita. I'm a wellness coach.
I know the blanket. Like you, others like financial house. Even insurance industry, you don't know that he ended.
इस जगह में अपने बच्चे के फ्यूचर को बात करें तो नहीं लगा ना जैसे भी साल के प्रोफेसर में हम कंपटीशन
Brismohan Mudra from Sabu Corporate Consultant Private Limited. We are into loan syndication for last 25 years.
You all know I'm your go-to graphic designer. Soon to be go-to AI graphic designer because I'm upgrading myself so that I can upgrade your work. Last time, if you remember, I had launched this book. I have delivered Hemant Uncle's book. He will show during his speech. So I have playing cards where you can send your photo and I will print it out for you. इसमें rounded edges भी हो सकते हैं, आपका photos AI से भी बन सकता है और आप अपना original image भी डाल सकते हैं.
Sweetie Mantri representing Desi Videsi, it's a one-stop solution for all your food cravings.
Vroom! Beep, beep! Kiran Transport Private Limited, the coolest transport of the team on the road. On board because with Kiran Transport, your journey starts with fun and.
I will start with a real story. Last time मेरे पास एक patient आए मेरे clinic में. Before go to the tree, spine consultation करना था मुझे. Tagline is carry your spine, carry your business.
This day है agency named Signature Scenes Private Limited. As I promised, the name has changed. और एक छोटा सा achievement I will like to share. Many of you already know. Right now, I am one of the registered writers of Z5. Be happy if you could see and give me a bit of feedback. Thank you.
Good evening, ABC.
Good evening.
This is me, Ishan Bansal, owner of Mangalam Fashion. We are into the one-stop manufacturing of all kinds of ladies' dresses and ethnic wear. We deal in both B2B and B2C. We also do customization. And we also convert old dresses to new patterns. Connect me to wholesalers, retailers and boutique owners. Connect me to who do export and import. 5 1 to 1 done and thank you slip to 4,000. Business close at rupees 10,000 from Sweetie Mantri.
My name is Jitesh Shah. I am the founder of The Logical Professional. It's a law firm and I'd like to ask all of you, how many of you have registered your marriage? Law, marriage registration is compulsory, but trademark registration is not compulsory. लेकिन अगर आप मैरिज रजिस्टर नहीं भी करेंगे तो डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. आपके स्पाउस को कोई और लेके नहीं जा सकेगा लीगली. हमने ट्रेडमार्क रजिस्टर नहीं किया तो वो नाम को कोई भी कॉपी कर सकता है।
चिल्ड्रन डे से मेरे को याद आ रहा है बचपन का पेन
गुड इवनिंग।
Hello, my name is Jagdeep Song. मेरा कंपनी का नाम है दीप कंसल्टेंसी। आई एम ए केएनसी कंसल्टेंट। कॉर्पोरेशन का कोई भी काम हो, किसी को भी बिल्डिंग बनाना हो, बिल्डिंग करवाना हो, कोई भी काम हो, लाइसेंस काम हो, मिशन प्लीज कनेक्ट टू मी।
मनोज मंडल विजुअल आर्टिस्ट। तो सबसे बड़ा आर्टिस्ट कौन है? वो है भगवान, जिन्होंने पूरा विश्व का आर्ट किया। बट वो कलाकार को हम सलाम करते हैं बनाए। तो भगवान जब दर्शन देता है वो आर्टिस्ट के जरिए आता है।
मेरा नाम निष्ठा फूड प्रोडक्ट्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है। तो चावल की खासियत है कि ये माने कोई तो चावल में खासियत है कि जितना पुराना होता है खाने में उतना ही स्वादिष्ट होता है।
So Rakesh as well, owner of famous homestay Gangavita Nagpur, so developing 2 resorts in the Bungalow project on the bank of River Hooghly, 55 km from Explanet.
Good evening friends, myself Rakesh Misra and I bring 39 years experience in insurance industry.
This is Rishi Agarwal representing my firm Jai Bholenath Textile in the field of customized t-shirts manufacturing.
मैं राहुल सिपानी, आपका फ्रेंडली नेबरहुड डेंटिस्ट। स्माइल के जो स्टार्स होते हैं उनकी मुस्कान दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत चीज होती है। इसलिए पेरेंट्स से मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अपने बच्चों को हर 6 months में एक बार डेंटल चेकअप जरूर करवाएं।
Children's Day special. Education is of vital importance in our lives. It is about knowledge and awareness of anything and everything. Of Rajiv Sikri Vascular and Neurologist Consultant shows. This week I have done 4 one-to-ones.
This is Ruchika Agarwal from Party Solutions. He is a one-step event decor partner specializing in creating stylish, thoughtful and visually stunning setups.
Friends, myself Sajjan Agarwal, your Vasco advisor, and today I have my feature presentation, so I'll talk about the subject in detail.
An alignment instructor. I request your kind attention to my paintings. So these paintings are made with high quality pigment in the Sparkle office, and this is a very good gifting starting from 3,000 to 5,000. So much.
25 years. My mentor taught me, like when he had a son, it was just few months old, so he was gifted by one of his friends in stock market, shares worth 50,000. And after 25 years, the shares are worth 50 lakhs.
Vijay Sethia, founder of VSMP and Associates, Chartered Accountant.
सबको समझने की जरूरत है, लेकिन समझना करते हैं सबको पता नहीं है। तो ये जानकारी के लिए बोल रहा है। जो प्रॉब्लम एक होता है, आपका एम्प्लॉई आपको बात नहीं सुनता। श्यामल बस जो है, दोनों श्यामल कंपनी HS वाला का।
My name is Shreya, representing my firm Success Stories HR Solutions.
Good evening everyone, myself Yogita Bill. I am a homemaker. My brand name is Creamy Creation by Yogita.
From Vilanshi Furniture, referred to Mr. Sunil Agarwal, one-to-one with Mr. Vivek Kendra.
What we do, we organize customized group tours only all over the world.
Of fresh fruit items in the form of cakes, pastries, desserts, and winter specials of fresh orange cakes. A complete sinful experience. I am Urvi Raja, brand Happy Since, the premium eggless bakery.
I am Sangeeta Gareliwala and I deal in bed linen. Bed sheets are like cozy hug for your bed. Transform it into a dreamy sanctuary. Take with your family and friends. Done one-to-one with Satishi and attended one-to-one conclave of Mr. Atish Mahal. Thank you.
So my name is Sumit Sabu and I am a real estate consultant in India and got to the reference. Thank you.
Good evening ABC.
Good evening.
This is Atish Mahal from Cars, the one-stop solution for any car problem. 22 सितंबर एक दिन था जब सैलाब आया, जैसे लोग बेघर होते हैं वैसे बेकार हो गए। उनका कार डूब गया, काफी कार हमारे यहाँ आई। यहाँ पे कंपनी ने
5 लाख 10 लाख का कोड दिया था, हम लोग ने वही काम 1 लाख से 3 लाख के अंदर सबका कार कर दिया, and we have delivered more than 50 cars in last 1 month.
So I'm here to network. Thank you.
And have been by we are here since 1952. We are dealers of Asian Paints, Berger Paints, Build August, and many other top paint brands.
Priyanka. I deal in luxury fashion brand. Nilimal referred to me to join ABC. I'm here as a visitor. I deal in Indo-Western luxury clothing for women's wear.
A very warm evening to all of you, seeing lots of entrepreneurs out here. I am Sayyid Aiz Ahmed. I'm the CEO and founder of Mistri Bejo. It's the next startup that has come out from Bengal. We are soon launching in Siliguri, Bhubaneswar, and Ranchi. So how is Mistri Bejo different? At Mistri Bejo, we don't just build spaces, we build trust from verified contractors and on-time handovers to secure payments, strict quality checks, and post-service support. Every detail is managed transparently.
And work as a master trainer in Diamond Jewelry Skill Council of India. I conduct lot of training regarding jewelry all over India. And I run my brand Silk Shastra. My main motto in jewelry is I design for generation, not for particular fashionable point and everything. So I design for generation. तो आप अपनी मेरी ज्वेलरी को आपके बच्चे भी इतना पसंद करेंगे, जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आएगी, they also like it, एंटीक है.